Hello everyone, welcome back again. Let's continue the chapter Shapes and Angles. Here on page number 23, one activity is given. Take a square sheet of paper. So any kind of paper you can take, that project paper, craft paper, any, and then fold it in half. So as shown here. Then fold it once more and press it. Again fold it. Then open the last fold so that the sheet is folded in half. Take one corner and fold it to meet the dotted line as shown here in the picture. You can do this. On the paper you will find lines making a right angle, an angle less than a right angle and an angle more than a right angle. Look for each of the angles and mark them with different color. So this is activity you should do yourself. This is your project work. And you should do and mark all the angles shown in your page. Now children, let's do some fun activity. So here fun activity is given, angles with your body. So can you make these angles? First one, a right angle with your hand, then an angle less than a right angle with your leg, then an angle more than a right angle with your arm, then D, an angle more than a right angle with your body. So try them out, it's fun. Draw them in your notebook using stick drawings like this. So this is also a project work you should do at your home, and also do this in your notebook using stick drawings like this. Here given this all drawing, this type of drawing you can make in your notebook. It is called stick drawings, these all are. So do yourself. Using stick drawing I have drawn here one example for you, then other you should do yourself. Let's move on to the page number 24. Here picture of an angle garden is given. In this picture, honeybee shows the way to other bee. To know how, let's read this paragraph. My angle dance shows the way. When I see flowers for making honey, I want to tell other bees. To show them the way, I start dancing. My dance shows the angle between the sun and the flower. See here, between the sun and the flower, this angle shows. This is one angle is made, and by this she tells other bees the ways of. Here one activity is given, collect some leaves from the garden. Color each leaf and print it. Look at the angles on the leaves. Which of them are more or less than a right angle? See here some pictures also are given of this leaf, printed leaves. Here printed leaves, picture of printed leaves are given. You can do this yourself. So first you have to collect the leaves, then color each leaf and print, then find out which of them are more than a right angle and less than a right angle. So do this activity yourself. This is your project work. And now here one tree and pictures of some birds are given. Here woodpecker say, I am a woodpecker. My beak is sharp because it has to cut the wood. So see, observe the beak of a woodpecker. Now here these girls are talking. One girl said, hey, look at that bird. Its beak has an angle less than a right angle. See here, this is the beak of a bird and it made a less than a right angle. So on page number 25 questions are given. Look for the birds which have beaks with small angles. You can see this type of birds in your surrounding, and also these pictures pictures of birds are given in the above picture. Now next one, in the picture mark angles between the two branches. Which two branches have the biggest angle? So you can see here the angle between two branches is on which two birds are sitting is the biggest angle. So this is the biggest angle. So here we can mark. Now angles in names. Here written Sukhman, and she says, you know there are angles in the letters of our names too. In my name there are 11 right angles. There are also 10 angles less than a right angle. So let's find out these angles. I have marked a right angle in red color, then less than right angle in blue color, and more than right angle in green color. So let's count how many right angles are there, then less than right angles are there, and more than right angles are there. So first we are counting right angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of right angles are 11. Then now we are counting less than right angle. So 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I have written here less than right angle is equal to 10. Now let's count the number of more than right angles. So here 1 and 2. So more than right angle is equal to 2. I hope you understood how to count the number of angles in the name. You can do yourself. In my name there are 11 right angles. There are also 10 angles less than a right angle. So here Sukhman said that in my name there are 11 right angles. There are also 10 angles less than a right angle. So we have also counted here. Now here one question is given. Write 3 names using straight lines and count the angles. So here name, number of right angles, number of angles more than a right angle, number of angles less than a right angle. So I have written 3 names. First one column, in that number of right angles are 2, number of angles more than a right angles are 4, number of angles less than a right angles are 11. And second one is Ruchika. Here number of right angles are 17, number of angles more than a right angles are 3, number of angle less than a right angle are 7. Then Umang, in this number of right angles are 6, then number of angles more than a right angle are 2, number of angles less than a right angle are 8. So you can write other name also and then count the angles in it or in them. Let's do activity. First one, put 10 mathemagic books on top of each other. Keep one book slanting, make a slide. And then B1. Now do this with 6 books. Then question is given, roll a ball from the top. From which slide does the ball roll down faster? Here we can write the answer of this question. Roll a ball from the top. From which slide does the ball roll down faster? Answer is the ball rolls down faster from the slide made by 10 books because this slide made smaller angle. Then which slide has the smaller angle? The slide made by 10 books has smaller angle. Children, in this chapter most of the answer you should write in the textbook. The answer you should write in the notebook which are needed. Let's move on to the page number 26. These are two slides in a park. Slide number 1, slide number 2. Now questions are, which slide has a larger angle? Observe these two slides and answer. So slide number 1 has a larger angle. This is slide number 1 has a larger angle. As slide 1 has a larger angle and slipper than slide 2, there will be more chances for the boy to get hurt while sliding on slide. So which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? Why? The slide 2 would be safer for the little boy than slide 1 because its angle is smaller than the other side. So this slide number 2 is safer for the little boy. Now you can write the answer here. Which slide has a larger angle? Slide 1 has a larger angle. Which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? Why? Slide 2 is safer for little boy because its angle is smaller than other slide. So these two answers you can copy down in your notebook. Now changing shapes. Some shapes are changing and some shapes are not changing. Things you need, use or new mastic. Used or new mastic you can use. Piece of rubber tube used in cycle valves. And piece of rubber tube. Then first step, clean the black end of the mastic. So this is black end of the mastic. This clean this black end. Then second step, cut small pieces of the tube about 1 centimeter. Now the piece of rubber tube which you have taken, cut small pieces of that tube about 1 centimeter long. Here you can see these pieces, small pieces. Now third step, push 2 mastics into each end of a tube piece. Now here both side push 2 mastics of a tube piece into each end of a tube piece. So here you push 2 mastic into each end of a tube piece. So here 2 ends are there and you push 2 mastics. Now fourth step, add more mastic to form a triangle. You can add more mastics to form a triangle. You can use more mastic because we want to form a triangle. Now make these 4, 5, 6 sided shapes by using tube pieces and mastics. As we have made triangle by these tube pieces, and now you have to make these 4, 5, 6 side shapes by using tube pieces and mastics both. So this is 4 sided, this is 5 sided, this is 6 sided shapes. Now question is, find out how many angles are there in each of these shapes. Mark them. So we can write here answer. There are 4 angles in shape A here, 5 angles in shape B and 6 angles in shape C. Now push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger. So we have made that square, pentagon and hexagon. So push this each shape downwards with the tip of your finger as shown here in the picture. Does the angle change when pushed down by the finger? Find out and write your results in the table given. So here we have to write the answer of this question. That does the angle change when pushed down by the finger? Shape, here shapes are given, and here change in angle, say yes or no. So here shapes are given, and here you have to write the answer in yes or no. This hexagon changes, yes. Pentagon changes, yes. Rectangle, square changes, yes. Triangle changes, no.